Hello, fellow travelers, Gianni here. Despite a terrible cold, today I'm really excited to announce the publication of my second bike travel book, Unfolding Further. 10 wonderful adventures, of course, using a Brompton folding bike. This book picks up where Unfolding Travels left off, and it includes 10 journeys in countries spanning from South America to Europe and Asia. Let me show you a closer look at the book. Unfolding Further is available both as a physical copy as well as in ebook format for Kindle or other digital devices. Most of you will be familiar with some of the travel videos I have shared on this YouTube channel. Like Unfolding Travels, this book also highlights the stories behind those journeys, and I hope offers a different but as interesting perspective into what went on behind the scenes as I cycled. As a side note, for those that are interested in replicating some of my adventures, both books will give you much more information on the roads I took and the places I traveled through. For those that prefer the paper format, one of the advantages is that it is illustrated. One of my passion is also drawing, and you will find that both books have been illustrated with pictures of places I traveled to, and I think these can be much better appreciated on the paper format. So I think that's one of the advantages of the physical book. For those that prefer the portability and the ease of use of Kindle, of course you will have the same chapters to enjoy. Drawings are also provided, although the quality is not as good as on the paper format. If you just pick a chapter, I'll just show you an example. Before each chapter starts, you will see a drone map of the route I've taken with some of the stages. And when the chapter starts, you will find a QR code which links to the relevant video on my YouTube channel. I haven't planned it this way, but it so happened to be released close to the holiday season. So consider this as a good gift for someone who likes Brompton bikes or is thinking of getting a Brompton, but generally for everyone that loves bike traveling or reading about bike adventures. Now I would like to take also this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for the continuous support, and especially let you know that every time you comment, it means a lot to me. Sometimes I read comments about people that through my journeys have been inspired to start their own. And this is what really motivates me to keep sharing videos on my channel. Let me wish everyone Merry Christmas, safe travels, and hopefully happy reading.